At this point, we have an understanding of how the system works and its stakeholders, and have started to create our co-innovation network. Now is the time to start to find opportunities to generate new value. One way to approach this is by considering what value is currently captured or destroyed in the way the system currently operates. Captured value refers to the benefits that each stakeholder group is currently receiving. What are the gains that stakeholders are currently experiencing? For example, does the landscape generate positive emotions for hikers? Does it provide the local community with access to cheap milk at a relatively good quality? However, as the landscape is ecologically degrading, some stakeholders will be experiencing diminishing value. What pain is currently being caused to stakeholders? For instance, farmers may suffer diminishing returns due to the soil degradation, or local wildlife might be experiencing declines in breeding spots. Society as a whole may suffer from higher flood risks and more frequent damage to infrastructure. Based on this information, we could ask what value is currently not captured for each stakeholder. Each one of these we identify represents a potential opportunity to deliver new value to stakeholders. This may come in the form of either improving the gain of stakeholders, higher income, more positive emotions, or removing the pain of stakeholders, cost savings, or stopping breeding habitat destruction. It is from these value opportunities that we will form our value proposition that will be at the heart of our new business model. Think about how to combine the value opportunities of different stakeholders so that you're able to create social, environmental, as well as economic value. For instance, you may consider that if the farmer could receive a higher income, then they might be able to use more of their land for natural habitats for wildlife breeding. This could lead to ideas on how a farmer may be able to receive a higher price for their milk, alternative income, or differentiated income streams from multiple sources. Use the earlier systems and stakeholder analysis to help guide you in understanding the connections and which stakeholder value opportunities may be critical for you to include. Overall, the more opportunities we are able to satisfy, the more stakeholders we have supporting our new business idea. At this point, simply brainstorm and discuss many different possibilities to come up with creative ideas. How could we provide the new value to stakeholder groups?